Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Altima engine air filter. First, open your hood and find the air filter box, usually a black plastic housing. You'll need to unclip the metal clamps or unscrew the fasteners holding the top cover. Once those are released, carefully lift the top of the housing and pull out the old, often dirty, air filter. It should slide out easily. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any leaves or debris inside the air filter box. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Now, carefully slide the new engine air filter into place. Make sure it sits completely flat and flush within the housing, with the rubber gasket creating a tight seal. It should fit snugly without any gaps. With the new filter in place, carefully lower the top of the air filter housing back down. Ensure it aligns properly with the bottom half. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are fastened securely. Give the housing a gentle wiggle to confirm it's tightly sealed and won't allow unfiltered air into your engine. This step is crucial for proper filtration. Replacing your engine air filter regularly offers several benefits, including improved engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and extended engine life. It's generally recommended to replace your Nissan Altima's engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year, depending on your driving conditions. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.